Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. So now guys, in life they say one man's meat is another man's poison. You know what you like, and what you like it might well be entirely different from what I like, but that is not to diminish your taste, and that is not to reduce mine. Every man to his own, and every man to what he wants. So this is why now a man will see a fairly substantial, sort of like a rotund woman walking down the street, and he will say to his friend, "Oh, look at that woman, is she not beautiful?" And the friend will say to her that, "Oh, she is not beautiful in my eyes, because the preference of that friend is for a more slender, more so like a slim looking woman." So that is not to reduce the taste of his friend, or that is not to reduce the taste of the person that is pointing out a beautiful woman. But what is almost uniform to the Yoruba people is a particular liking for the Igbo female. Guys, I bring you this. Igbo women will not break my heart this year. Headline attributed to a YC, and I have to confess here, I had no concept of the existence of this person called YC, and we will get to meet him together. But this comes under the entertainment banner, so I am assuming that YC will be like a singer or an actor or a comedian or something. Whatever he is certainly a man with good taste, and is bracing himself for the year to come. As again, Igbo women will not break my heart this year, a headline attributed to a person, an artist of some form called YC. So now let's now engage with YC. Nigerian singer Oludemilade Martins Alejo. So let's just pause there for a moment, just for two reasons. I'm not sure if I pronounced his last name or well or not, so I'll spell it out. It's Alejo. I am pronouncing it Alejo, but if you have other pronouncements, then or other ways to pronounce his name rather, then come into the comment section to address that. But more importantly, what I am drawing to is to the preamble that I started with. I was not even really fully aware that this guy was a Yoruba person. Of course, he is going by the name YC, which could well be like some it's an androgynous name which catches all. It could well be anybody. It could even be an Hausa man, but almost unlikely. But certainly the fact that he's a Yoruba man, he only goes to add on to that preamble that I started off with, the desire and the liking that the Yoruba people have for Igbo women, not Yoruba people more so, but more especially Yoruba men. So the thing that draws the Yoruba man to the Igbo female is something that has existed for as far back as I have been conscious, and it is not something that we've been able to really fully decipher, but we particularly have an inkling and a yearning for Igbo women, for reasons that the Igbos themselves will understand, because their women are beautiful. So now this guy now being a Yoruba man does not especially come as a surprise to me. As I start all over again, Nigerian singer Oludemilade Martins Alejo, also known as YC, has taken to his Twitter account, I am YC, at I am then underscore YC. So that YC is the alphabet Y, and then C for carrot, and double E. So at I am YC, to pray against heartbreak by Igbo women in 2021. Correspondents recall Igbo women trended on social media for being heartbreakers. So I wasn't aware that Igbo women especially have this reputation for being heartbreakers, but then Igbo women are notoriously, so like high functioning, put it that way, and it takes a real effort to even get the attention of an Igbo female. So it doesn't come to me as a surprise that they are trending as heartbreakers. But then, of course, I wouldn't necessarily call them heartbreakers, because, of course, they are some of the nicest people on the planet. We carry on. It is believed that Igbo women are one of the most beautiful breeds of women. I think we've already said that, which they take advantage to siphon guys. So siphon is some sort of like a corruption practice, so I'm not sure if I align with that. It is also believed that what they care about the most in a relationship is money. So I wouldn't say that that is peculiar to Igbo women, because this really thing that people throw at women, they throw at women from the outer Mongolian hills to the inner depths of Ouagadougou. This is a global reputation that women have, that they particularly gravitate towards money. This is not a view that I share, but the point that I am making is that it is not peculiar to Igbo women. It seems YC has once fallen victim of this. At least his tweet reads, "In 2021, Igbo women will not break my heart this year. So help me God." So yeah, so help me God. But the answer to that, of course, is to pick wisely, because of course now you, like every other Yoruba person, you obviously seem to have like a predilection towards the Igbo female. But then, of course, like every other types of female, you have the good and the bad. It is then left to you and your personality, the sort of people that gravitates towards you. Conversations in the comment section. It is the prayer of this young man that an Igbo female does not break his heart in 2021. Thankfully, I'm not in the market anymore, but if you are in the market, then what is your prayer in terms of relationships in this year that we have now just started off? Come share thoughts about all this with me in the comment section. This is a light-hearted one, so no heavy-duty stuff. This is not even ethnic. This is just real, capturing what this guy has to say and inviting a conversation around it. So come, let's gist in the comment section. But before you come into the comment section to do amebo and gist, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. The bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then click on the like button as well, because that helps with the YouTube algorithm. Once you've done all the clickings, do you, like me and the rest of pretty much the entirety of the Yoruba male population, do you have a predilection for the delights of an Igbo female? So let's come talk Igbo women in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Carry this conversation on with you in the comment section. But here I say peace.